Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna use this camera for my vlog, and this is the Panasonic. It's from 2011. Also, I purchased this cap to protect my lens. This is a Leica lens. It has 33 millimeters wide lens. I like to use this filter just to protect the I'm gonna charge this, and today's vlog I'm gonna record only with this camera. So I'm recording with this camera, but the audio is gonna be from this camera. So I hope you guys enjoying. It's gonna be an experience to record my vlog with this camera. And yeah, so right now I'm gonna make a coffee for me. Super weird to vlog with this camera, but look, I'm just trying this, see how it goes. Look at this view. Today looks so beautiful, the weather. So right now I'm gonna drink this coffee. Super hot. I'm vlogging the entire vlog with this camera. So let's drink coffee and charge this camera. So let's go.
I wanna be happy like you. I wanna be happy like you. You make it look easy, right? Can you please spare some light? I wanna be happy like you. I wanna be happy, I do. You make it look easy. Can you please spare some light? How do you do it? What is your plan? How do you move so carelessly? Where did you get that energy? I mean, do you stick to it? Or is it just a trend? I wish I had your temperament, but I'm so far away from it. I wanna be happy like you. I wanna be happy, I do. You make it look easy, right? Can you please spare some light? I wanna be happy like you. I wanna feel.
So I'm making a vlog in Portuguese, drinking the famous Ponchão. Chin-chin. So I went to the famous Mercado dos Lavradores here at Funchal. It was super crowd. And now I'm going to a Chinese store just to find a tag, just to put on my luggage, because I want so much to have that on my luggage or in my backpack. So look at this street. Super crowd. Today is Tuesday. I see more stores here at the center of Funchal. Coffee shops everywhere. Pastel de natas. This place is alive. A lot of people here walking around, going shopping, seeing the city. And actually it's a good weather. But I'm wearing a hoodie because it's so chilly. It's chilly today. I am under of the airport of Madeira. Above me is actually the airport. So I'm here still vlogging with this camera. It's hard because it's big and I'm not comfortable vlogging with this camera, but even with the small camera I'm not comfortable to vlog in public. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy some footage that I record with this camera. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. See you guys tomorrow.